Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix sync post in OneDrive app at 2026. So actually guys, you will need to start by checking the internet connection. So make sure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi or to mobile data and open a browser to confirm the connectivity. Even you can test by going with YouTube or sending a message on WhatsApp, Instagram, etc. And yeah, you will need also to check the background app refresh and battery saver. So to do that, you will need to go with your device settings and scroll down until you can see the apps option. Tap on it and then go with the second option, manage apps. Right now, I want you to select the search apps or the search bar and look for OneDrive app. So once it's found, just go ahead and tap on it. Okay, so right now I want you to go with the third option, it's battery, tap on it and make sure that you are on no restricted or at least battery saver. Okay, that way you allow the background activity, and if the app is restricted, sync may pause automatically. Okay, so right now go back to OneDrive app, launch it, and if you see sync paused at the top, just right here, go ahead and tap it and then tap resume sync or similar option. Go back to that page and tap on the flash on the top left corner, and right here I want you to go with permissions. Okay, so go and tap on app permissions on the permissions section. So right here I want you to allow the photos and videos. If it's on not allowed section, just tap it. Let's consider the camera as photos and videos and tap on allow only while using the app. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.